Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen sitting in a pile of Halloween candy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the top of the head with a small curve on an angle here. And now above the line, let's draw a curve up and back down like this, stopping about here. Now let's hop back up to the top of the head, and from the right, let's do the same thing. Next at the bottom, let's draw 4 bumps across like this. Now let's hop back up to the top of the head and let's draw the face. From the top, let's draw an angle down and then curve it back up like this. And let's do the same thing on the left and on the right. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a line down, curve it to the left, and then again to the right. Now let's add the eyes. On the left of the mouth, let's draw a small circle. And the same thing on the right. And now let's color both eyes in black. Next, let's add the whiskers. On the left side of the head, let's draw 2 curves out, and then 2 inside on the right. And lastly, for the body, let's draw the stripes on the back. Let's start on the right side and let's draw 2 curves in like this. And then let's connect them at the end with a curve. Underneath, let's draw another curve and then curve it down at the end. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's add the pile of candy underneath. Let's start on the left side and let's draw 2 bumps down. And then one more, but let's curve it in like this. Now let's hop to the right side and let's draw 3 bumps down. And then one more curve at the bottom. Now let's connect the sides at the bottom by drawing bumps across. And that's it for the shape of the pile. Now let's add the candy details. Inside on the top left, let's start by drawing a circle. Next on the top left, let's draw 3 bumps up like this. And the same thing on the bottom right. Now let's draw another candy in the same way on the bottom right. Now let's add a third candy on the bottom left overlapping the edge like this. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And let's add one last of these candies on the bottom right. And again, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Next, inside, let's add a lollipop. Let's start with 2 bumps, here like this. And then above it, a circular curve. Now on the top right, let's add 3 bumps. And now let's add the stick coming out with a line up, curve it back down like this. And lastly, let's add some circles. On the left, let's add a small circle here. Then another one at the bottom in the middle. Then one on the very bottom left, overlapping the edge. And then one on the very top right. And lastly, let's erase those overlapping lines inside the last 2 circles. And that's it for this Halloween candy Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!